What is up, YouTube? Today we're gonna be playing Animal Company. It's the very first horror game that I'm gonna be playing in VR. But I already played this, of course. If you guys don't know what this is, basically red makes you it hurts you, but it's treating you. Oh my!
Yeah,
and then blue.
This.
I already have that.
Take that. Oh.
I can't take it.
We need more bags.
Oh, and then this one just launches you. Pretty cool. Now let me get that light real quick. Don't worry, Isaiah, I got this. And of course we're gonna be playing with Isaiah. Here.
You should put one on here. One of the backpacks.
I don't. Oh. How are we gonna do it though? How am I gonna carry it?
With this way.
You can.
And with the other one.
Can you still use it though? Like this?
Yeah. I think so. No.
Oh, nope. Wait, I may have a plan. Hold this. Hold this.
Okay.
And just take out all my. I can't buy this right now because I've.
Nah. How much is it?
6,000.
How much you got?
6,000, 300 or something.
Oh. Oh, it's gone now.
What?
It's gone. It's gone.
What, the light?
Yeah. We are going here.
Alright, wait, give me the backpack.
Who, mine?
Yeah, your backpack.
Why?
I'm gonna say if we could put it in the crossbow. And put it in there, but... Wait, maybe put the gun... Oh my.
Where'd it go? Oh, it's there, it's there.
Oh.
Oh, here.
There you go. My gun.
Oh.
Where'd my gun go? Wait. My gun.
No, it's gone.
Oh, it's over there.
Bag check. Oh, there's there.
Oh my. Okay, so we're gonna go to the scary area, right?
Yeah.
All right. So guys, if you guys don't know what it is, it's like a haunted house.
We might. I'm going to grab one of these in case.
Okay. All right, let's go.
And
then.
How about you? You too.
All right.
In case.
It's one of the teleporters, right? It teleports.
Yeah.
Let's go then. Alright guys, this is our first journey. Well, it's not our first journey because we have all this stuff, but it shall be a very cool journey for one of the videos, which is right now. I'm gonna put on the tracker. It's already on.
Tracker?
Yeah, on your watch.
Are you cheating?
Nope.
Yes, you are. No, I'm playing.
Alright, let's do this.
And look,
I wanna eat a banana.
Guys, look up. Hey guys, look up there. We can get stuff.
Yeah.
I can show you.
You guys saw that umbrella I had in my backpack? Yeah. Right here's where we bought it.
Yeah.
Right here, I don't know what that is. It looks like a pickaxe, but I don't know for sure. That's the umbrella.
It's not.
That's a plunger. It's a duck. And yeah, that's all. But right here we have a bomb, a grenade, because it gives us some free grenades in here.
We should save those.
Alright, hold on.
Put that in there, and we will blow some of gems with that. We can get more.
Alright.
Okay, come on.
In that area that we go to, I am very scared of that area. So,
What? The noise?
No, the haunted house, like the entire thing.
And the noise too?
And everything, yeah.
For me? Nah. Yo, what?
What was that?
Yo, what's again? Light? Wait, I can't see. Oh, did they change stuff up now? Oh, where's again? First check. Wait, yeah, I went here, so it's
What is that? Is
down
that
there
chicken?
somewhere. No.
Bro, what is that thing?
there, wait, with the eyes, what the?
Oh, is that
That is the chicken.
That's the chicken. That's whatever that
Oh,
is.
okay. And now, run. Here, over here. Do we still
Alright, guys.
have it?
So, in this game, that red
Wait,
light, if we move
there are
it...
two spots.
Oh.
That's two. Oh, it's good. No, it's not there.
Yeah, so guys, if you move in the red light, you
it's,
die. If you move in the green light, it's just normal. So it's
Yep.
basically like red light, green
Their
light.
stuff changed now.
What the?
Stuff changed now.
Okay, so what we gotta do now?
Okay. Okay. We need to find a key.
Yep.
A key.
So yeah, we gotta find a key, and spoiler alert, it's very scary for me. Let's just say that. So apparently, Isael says that the light has to be turned off if I see a girl, right?
Yeah.
And if like there's like floating heads, I think I closed, and my lights flicker for some reason, like this.
Yeah, one does that a lot.
Okay, well guys, wish us good luck. If we die, then we might lose all our stuff.
Maybe not with these, but yeah, with these.
Oh, yeah, I gotta take mine out.
Okay.
Oh, that's a grenade. Oh,
Oh, no!
give it to me.
Is there?
Alright,
Come
guys,
back.
let's do this.
Now.
Oh,
What?
go in there.
Oh, come on.
You go in there. Oh, I'm scared.
Why me first? Don't first. We're
What
stuck.
What happened to you?
There's nothing there.
Do I turn on the light?
Yeah. Let me hear. Dude. Oh, no.
Isaiah?
Oh, I'm still here. No.
No! Oh, no, I'm getting out. Oh. Isaiah, are you okay? Talk in the radio.
I died.
Oh, crap. Guys, I am probably too scared to go in there by myself, so I'll camp right here in this corner. Wait, so did you lose all your stuff?
Yeah.
No. So you guys spend $2,000 on the thing again now. Oh, guys. So if you fall in that hole, I think you lose all your stuff, and you lose it forever. Thank you.
So I don't have enough money to buy that at all.
Maybe I can buy it for you, man. I could try to buy it for him. Yeah, so as you guys saw, let's just say that Isael died and yeah, lost all his stuff, so. Yeah, so after you ran, I literally ran so fast out of there.
I am coming back.
Wait, did you buy a backpack?
Yeah.
Okay, good. Because we need all that stuff.
can you come back to the place again? And I can't see nothing at all. It's dark.
Oh, okay, I'll try my best. Okay, well, guys, it's on me now.
No, like out of the mansion.
Yeah, I know. Okay, guys, well, I hear noises back there. Okay, guys, so I hear footsteps. I hear footsteps. Guys, I don't know what to do. Isa, so do you want me to beat like the mansion, or do you just want me to get out and try to find you?
Fine.
Wait, try screaming so I can try to hear you. Okay, guys. Alright, guys, so it's... What is that thing? Bro, you guys see that? Isael!
Yeah.
The monster's over here, watch out!
Yeah.
The monster's over here, watch out!
I know.
Oh my. What do I do? What do I do? Should we try to kill it?
No.
Oh no! Okay.
Oh.
Isael, get over here right now. You gotta be quick about this. Make sure not to die. I hear him. Those footsteps are so loud, bro. I don't even know if he's near or far. Isael, oh, I'm over here. Follow my voice.
I'm coming.
Oh my.
I'm coming.
Over here.
I'm coming.
The light. Okay. Well, we're back now.
Sorry guys, I died. How about that?
Yeah, and don't worry about me just being a scaredy cat right there. Don't call me a scaredy cat. It's just instinct. It's just what regular kids do nowadays. Be scared and just stay down in the corner.
What the heck? Oh
my! Help! Oh! What was that? What was that?
The girl. The dog girl.
I heard noises. No wonder why.
Okay, now
You should have the light actually.
I got the fine here. Take this.
I'm not good with the light. You can just.
This time we're going here now.
Oh my.
Off.
Should I throw dynamite in there? I don't throw it.
There. No, don't. What's there? I'll check.
Oh, girl.
Off.
So that's what the flicker means. So if your light turns back on and off, turn it off. So bad now.
Just do it there.
It's right there. It's still right there. I'm gonna throw dynamite, bro. I'm gonna throw dynamite right there.
What's there?
Should I throw dynamite?
There. Yeah, no.
Alright. Come here.
Oh.
It didn't do nothing.
No.
Run. Just turn it off. Keep it off. Isael, keep it off. I'm scared.
Let's go over here.
Let's go then.
What?
Oh, what?
Go ahead. Kill
What
it.
do the heads do?
I don't know. Okay, there. I died from.
Light off. Ow. Stop hitting me. Stop
I
hitting
can't
me.
see. Oh.
Go, come back, come back.
Yeah. Oh, do not go there.
Oh my! Oh.
Oh, look. Thank you.
Aww.
Open it. Open it.
No, I have self-defense now. I have self-defense now. Come at me. I ain't scared. Oh my.
Oh, dude. Those hard things gave me night vision.
Dang. Wait, is this a weapon? I'm using this for oh, it's off. Okay, we gotta run away because the girl stays there. The ghost.
I don't see her. I don't see the key alone.
I hate these, like, turn off. Wait. Where to go? Turn the light on. Turn the light. Behind you.
Oh!
Turn off.
I did.
All right, run. Take this.
No. What the? Go!
Sayo, come back. We're safe. Come back.
I'm here. We're here.
Over here. Sayo, over here. Light, head. Light on. Keep it on. What the? Off. Ow, stop hitting me. Key's right there.
Where? Oh, key.
I got it.
Come on. Hey, now.
Oh, no.
Come on.
Help.
Down.
Run. Wait for me. Wait, help.
We're here.
I can't run. Help.
We're here. Come on.
Okay. Help.
Where?
Here we go. Open it.
Hey, now.
Wait, I want the light now. Stop hitting me.
Sorry.
Give me the light. We're safe now here, right?
Yeah, I think so. I think so.
Alright, well, guys, that's our ghost experience. Let's go down now. I did not like this part, but let's go over here.
Okay, here. Take this to fill up.
No!
Oh, there's some here.
Oh. Hold the light!
On.
I want to fill it up. Ow!
Boy, watch out.
Get it?
For the. Okay. There. Oh, there. What the?
Trying to get all the other stuff. How do I get that?
Oh, no, don't.
Yeah, it's too dangerous now.
Here.
Stop, don't hit it. So I don't get hurt. Ow! Ow! Help! What is going on? Sayo?
We're here.
Oh, we're upside
Okay,
down.
okay, now, yeah. Okay, cut that.
Wait, like this or like this?
Cut this in there.
Wait, like this or like this?
That way, yeah.
Ow!
See?
Oh, I didn't know.
I know. Come on. That's fast. Yeah, here. Like here. No, don't.
No,
Yeah,
no!
Here.
Ow! Ow!
Don't die. Here.
Bro, I'm
Stay
low.
here, stay here.
Bro, I hate this. I can't even get any grip.
I know. You want here? Yeah, here. Just again. I just will put this on my back. My back? Is it on back?
Yes.
Okay, good. We need to go right here.
Oh, this is how we
there,
get
there.
up.
Yeah.
I can't do this though because this stuff is heavy.
Here. I can do it.
Right here. Ow. Right here.
I mean, here, light.
Oh no. No. Okay. Maybe I can try do it now. Ugh. Ow. Ow!
No.
I'm gonna
I'm
die.
low.
I'm low.
Dang.
Can we should we get?
Baby, I am.
I say we just go down
Huh?
already. I say we just go down already.
How much do you got?
I think I got 3.
We need more.
I hate this.
I know.
Okay. I'll try to.
Okay, here, come on, sit. Launch off!
I did it.
Oh no, I fell off.
No. No. Okay. No. You saw it? I'm doing it. Wait.
You're good.
You saw? Should I grab this? You saw?
Yeah. Oh, there.
Ow! Wait, the backpack! Okay. How do I do this? Do I let go of it? You saw it? Pues que no olvidamos. come down where the exit is. The orb fell out of my backpack or something. Wait, this is where I was. Kind of fun though. Full HP. Maybe I can do it again. Alright, so. No. All my stuff fell out!
Well, it did?
Bro, I hate this. It's so weird.
Yeah, I know.
My grenade fell down there. Nothing else fell down there.
No.
I say we go down now.
Okay, here, back.
Where's your backpack?
This fell. Fell down. Fell down somewhere.
Bro, I can't do it though. Like, it's gonna make all my stuff fall.
Yeah. Okay, here, back.
Wait, hold on. Here.
Where is it?
Put in. I'm on. Let's go.
Oh, what's in here? Orb.
Oh, get that. Ow.
Orb.
I think we're fine now. Let's go.
No! Orb!
Blood. Ow. Let's just leave it. Just leave it. Just leave it. Ow. I am. So, just leave it. Oh my.
Fine.
Let's go.
There are some here. There are some here.
Where?
I think so. Should be some. There.
Oh no, he
Should be
fell.
some.
Oh my. Pickaxe saved me. Alright.
Oh.
No. I don't think there's any.
Okay, down. Fall down.
Let's go. Here's your pickaxe.
Oh! Look.
No.
Oh!
What?
Go, where the
Go
tag?
outside.
And, who's this? Oh.
It's like,
Oh, lab! Place lab.
Sayel, do you even have enough to buy this?
No, I don't. No, I don't.
What
Yeah,
else
I
is there?
don't.
That's it?
Yeah. We just got one
Here.
of those. Wait, sure?
Yeah.
Don't fall. Let's go up.
No, forget about that light. Oh, wait, this is bad though. Wait. Alright. There you go. Alright, guys, let's do this. Actually, let's just get the light so we don't waste it. Oh. Oh, the light is gone now. Oh. Estou haciendo un video. Israel!
I'm here.
Yo. What's good?
Oh, okay.
Let's sell our stuff now.
Do you got one
What?
What? Of the things
What things?
from the place we was at?
Yeah.
One. Okay. Okay, here.
I think that's the only one I got.
I'm sure we're gonna check
Yeah.
first.
That's the only one I
We
got.
should-
I checked already. Yeah.
What's gonna
That backpack had the most.
Before we do that, we can like get some stuff from like there, and here we get more.
Just sell it real quick. So it doesn't
Okay.
despawn. Ow.
What's gonna wait?
Alright guys, well. Alright guys, so
How
let's
much?
see how much it makes. Guys, all of that for $420. What happened to your backpack? What about your backpack?
It's gone.
Oh, we had so much stuff in there too. Well guys, all of
Yeah.
that for that much money. Well guys, I think that's the end of today's video. We were on a great journey, and hopefully you guys have a good day. Make sure you go to school, because school is very important, even though you guys think that school just keeps you in prison. No, it doesn't. It keeps you safe. It actually does, but no. But hey,
Okay.
I'm just spreading
Hey, dude.
advice in the world.
Hey,
Alright, well,
dude.
say your outro for the video too.
Adios.
Alright guys, that's the outro. Alright guys, peace.